Hi everybody! In this tutorial we will learn how to switch the Revit theme to dark mode in order that it's more comfortable to your eyes. So let's start. I want to inform that since the version 2024, Revit includes a dark mode, something that lots of users were expecting for a long time. So, how can I change the colors? Let's go to File, click on Options, and in this window, go to the Color section. Here we can see the user interface active theme. Currently it displays the dark mode. However, if you are more comfortable with the light mode, you can use it as well by switching the option here. Now let's go back. Alternatively, you can keep the dark mode, but set a light color scheme for your canvas. With this, you will keep the light background in the drawing area and everything else is dark. So now you can try these different ways, so you can choose which option works best for you. So that's all in this video. If you are interested in learning Revit from the beginning, I have a complete course in the platform Udemy, as well as another one in AutoCAD. If you join it, you will have free access forever. There aren't destruction ads, you can find DWG files and PDFs in some lectures, and I also included full exercises at the end of the course to practice your skills. So you can find the links below in the description and check out the list of contents and the preview lectures. So it's everything. See you in the next time.